What's up guys, and happy to see you again in my channel. Okay, so today we're gonna change the trunk tailgate lead actuator, the push button, and it's all about this contraption here. So I'll show you now the part number that you will need to check if you want to buy this. So this is an original BMW part. I've bought mine from Lithuania, I think, and the guys did a really good job on the shipping part. I have to say that it doesn't matter if you have an e90 LCI or an e90 Classic. It works on both of the models, but you have to have the sedan version. So if you have e91 or e92, I don't think this part will work. So let's go back to the trunk and see what was the real problem, because it was not a switch actuator problem. It was about the piece itself. Okay, so let's get back there and you'll understand immediately what I'm saying. Okay, so I hope you can understand now why I'm so frustrated about this. So these are the parts here and here. You can see it clearly, yeah? Okay, so let's disassemble the whole trunk and try to change this rubber part here. Okay, so now let's all hold hands and thank GoPro for corrupting my SD card and losing a lot of footage and of course a lot of audio. But now, as you can see, this is a voiceover, so let's be very attentive here. I'm just playing the reverse final part because I cannot film again the disassembly thing. So now let's get a screwdriver. It's about 20 Torx screwdriver. Let's unscrew the first bottom two screws. There are metal screws, and after that you will see that all over the margin of that piece of carpet we'll have some plastic pins. They are formed from two parts, and with a flat head screwdriver you'll very easily can take them off the car. Okay, so now I'm gonna change my screwdriver to a flat head screwdriver, but this being the final movie, this is the reverse mounting option. Okay, so what I'm doing here that you're not supposed to do, I'm pushing them in, but it's very easy to take them all out, and you'll see that on your own, and yeah, it's a pretty simple thing to do. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. It's a push and pull pin like screw. You have one center part and one pin that goes through it, so it is very simple to take it out, and of course to put that in. Okay, so yeah, now I'm trying to put it to insert it in, and after that, after you remove all of these I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plastic screws, I think. Yeah, I think there are 5 or 6 plastic screws. I know it looks weird here, but this is the disassembly part. I didn't want to take out this clip because you just have a general idea on how to take this carpet off, and trust me, it is very simple. The two plastic things that I was showing you in the first time, my fingers are on them. Now are two rubber stoppers that you don't need. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty simple. Remove all of these pins, and after that the carpet will eventually fall off. Please remember to take your safety wire out. That's the little metal part that you see here hanging in the middle, and now just pull the handles out of the bodywork, and now just pull the carpet and it will go easily out like this. And remember to pull that safety hinge out of the way so you can dismantle all the carpet easily. Okay, so now after we got the carpet out, you can see here that we have the bodywork and we have a plastic panel that has some pins around it, and you'll have to push all of them pins out and routing the cables in that manner that it is easy to get all of the plastic out of the way. So you have to stuck your hand in that tiny little space, so you can access the part that is behind the number plate, and in this case the part that where the handle sits and the LED lamps. Okay, so now I'm just trying to get all of that wiring harness and little wire out of the way. It's not that simple, you'll see that you'll have to wiggle it a little so you can just try it out. Don't use a lot of force. Keep in mind that even though this is an original part, it is a little bit bendy, but not all that. So after this panel is out, you have access to the back of the number plate, and I will try to stick a phone in there, my phone in there with the camera and some light, so you can easily see what and how especially we are going to take out the trunk lid push button assembly. Yeah, let's go there. Okay, so now we're here with some light on, and first try to unclip this wire here, and after that we'll try to remove all the assembly in there, but I just want to find... Oh, so now we're talking. Okay, now you can easily see the clips above that that part that we're gonna remove here. Can you see there when where I'm pointing my finger? So yeah, over there we have to put in the screwdriver so we can remove it safely. Okay, so I have found a pretty easy thing to do to get it out. All you have to do is put your finger over here on the top, search for the tab and just press it, and when you press it, pull it in to push this in front. So it's that easy, believe me, it is that easy. Sorry for the portrait mode, but I really had to show you this. So put it like this, just push in the first tab on this, here another part, just press it and then pull it out, push it out. Okay, and after that all you have to do is just, I don't know, this is the first one, so I think there are two tabs underneath here. I'm gonna try and get them out. Yeah, just push it, simple as that. So as you can see, this is pretty beaten up, so all of this eventually will fall off, but it was not that bad as I suspected, because as you can see here that this is only the exterior part and water was not going to get in. Yeah, now I'm just not that happy that I bought myself a new part, but we're gonna change it anyway because it will go like new. So let's take the new part here and let's do the swap. We have here a pull tab, I don't know where it's situated, yeah, it's over here, and you have to press it. Remember to take your keys out of the ignition. Yeah, press and pull, but it's not that simple because this is a little bit old, and you have to nudge it a little bit. Oh yeah, and it's out. Okay, now throw in the bad one and put in the new one. So you have here, there are two wires going in, but you cannot mistake the position because you have here a notch, and you have to align it to another notch and hear that click. Okay, so to put it in, let's see, but first of all, before you put the new part in, let's try and see that it will work and disengage the trunk release here. So we'll do that by closing it like this. Okay, so now it's closed, and after that try to, yeah, you heard it, and this part was open. So this is it's like this and it's locked, and now it's open. Okay, yeah, so pretty simple, guys. Now just try to insert it in. So you have to line it here really want to show you this, guys. Pretty simple job. Align it first with the bottom part here, and after that is okay. You just press the top ones, but you really have to press it, and be sure that push it in like this and over the corners, and don't let any moist get in these parts here. Okay, as you can see, my new part is going in very smoothly. I'm very proud of myself now, and yeah, let's go and assemble all of this. Okay, so now after you really secure this plastic part here, and you're really sure that it's all okay, test it again. And now let's go to the assembly. Pull this plastic tab back. Firstly route this wire around here. Okay, and now let's insert it back as it should be. So first, let's see which part comes first. Oh, the front side goes in like this. This tab has to stay outside. So let's see, one part, and yeah, the second one. Now you have a tiny rivet here that you have to put it on the center, and I cannot see it if it's on the center. Yeah, it's on the center bar. All came loose. Okay, and after that, these pull tabs, as I shown you, you have to put them in. Oh, and sorry, don't forget, yeah, big thing, don't forget this hinge, safety hinge. Get out. Oh, it's cut in here. Okay, and again cut. What the? Yeah, now it's in place. The other part here, this cable is routed, and yeah, I think all of the parts are in the correct position, but I don't like something here that it's a little bulgy. Yeah, no, it's safe to presume that all is in good condition. So I have here a little notch for something, but I don't know what came out. Oh, this came out around there. This is why it was not staying flush with the bodywork. So now it's flush. All it is good. A quick tip: if you had problems with your backlights or your LEDs, you can now simply unscrew this cap here and change your bulbs pretty easily and without a fuss. Okay, let's see if this really works. So this is blocked again, so if we just pull this, you see, haha, it works. And again, like this, and yeah, it works. So now let's put the carpet on, and I wish that I will get this rivet, this metal part through a hole, but I don't really know where is that hole located. I just don't see it. It has to be somewhere around here, but make a tiny hole in there, it won't matter. Let me see. I don't have anything sharp in my car to make a hole, but I'll use a T10, and I hope I won't make a mess of my entire carpet. And I'm gonna put it like this here. Now this is pretty hard to get through. Sorry for that angle. And yeah, now I think I have my hole. One step
here. Now let's figure it in. Come on, hole. Come on, hole. Come to daddy. No, it's not gonna. It's not going in, guys. And I don't know why. Isn't the hole big enough? Yeah, it's big enough, but I just cannot reach. Put it in. Yeah, it's going. It's going in. It's going in. No, it's not. Yes, it is. And no, it's not. Okay, so we're gonna enlarge in that hole. I didn't want to enlarge that, but it let me know no other way. There is no, and it's hole, not whatever you're thinking of what I just said. If I said hole, yeah, okay. So YouTube, please listen carefully. I need some angles here. Yeah, I really just don't know why it is not passing. Oh yeah. So here we are, but I need something to press it from beneath, because this metal part is so tiny that it goes into your finger, and yes, it really hurts. I'm not a white boy, but it really hurts your hands. Okay, so yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. And now let's try to realign all of this ornament. But I don't know why this is getting in so hard. Oh yeah, because you have these handles here. You just have to take them underneath the metal parts, and after that you're good. So I think just to keep things simple, I'll do the bottom part first. Insert this so the carpet will stay flush. Yeah, not the carpet, you know what I mean. I'm not telling about no carpets here. I'm just speaking about this upholstery, not upholstery. What am I talking? Okay, so let me see. These reverts should go in easily, but not like this, because if they are opened, you cannot. You have to be sure that this is retracted to the top, and after that I think that they have to go in easily, just like the bottom one. Okay, so don't push them all in, just in case you have to realign all of the thing here. So yeah, I have a lapsus. I just don't recall how you say it in English. It happens. Don't judge me. It happens. I really think it happens to you a lot, and yeah, it happens to me because I'm not a native speaker, English speaker. Okay, so now try to push like this to be sure that all of this carpet stays here. We're just gonna call it carpet, okay? Okay, carpeting. And then they have a pretty feel to them when you push it in. You really think that you're securing them real good. Yeah. Okay, my wire is here, and we have the last two remaining. Yeah, the last two remaining torques. Like I said, it's a T20 torque. So if you wonder what is sitting here, I'm gonna tell you. The first aid kit, the triangle that you all use in your car, but mine didn't came equipped with that, or the previous owner got it out. I don't know. I don't care. I have a set of new triangles, and I have them underneath my floor carpet. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. All is well here. If you just asking what are these things here, there are stoppers, and you can readjust them so your trunk will sit nice and flush with your body work. So yeah, let me take my second screen out, the keys, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. It's a pretty simple operation, and stay tuned for the next videos to come. Subscribe.